let you do something to me. Drop the top, yeah, we cruising. Cop the coupe for just you and me. And if they mad, then just let them be. I love it when you love on me. You treat me like a trophy. And none of these hoes come close to me. And none of these niggas approaching me. I know your ex is...
So the first color I'm taking is Pukey by Jaclyn Hill times Morphe. And I'm just using a BH Cosmetics blending brush. The next two colors I'm taking are in the BH Cosmetics 88 Original Color Palette. I'm taking the two greens right here at the bottom. The next thing I'm taking is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Medium Dark 32 and just a flat shader brush just to cut my crease out. So I'm gonna be super still and quiet doing it, y'all, because I'm still learning how to cut my crease out. So now I'm using the Makeup Shayla times ColourPop, and I'm taking the color TF, and I'm just using another flat shader brush. So that I can get a really good blend, I'm going to take the color IE. So the last color I'm taking for this look is the color Emerald by the Jaclyn Hill palette again. And it's just the emerald deep green color. And I'm going to place that on my outer V. And I'm really going to pack it on instead of like blending it out, because I want the outer part to be darker than the rest of my eye. And for eyelashes, I'm using some lashes that I got from a place locally here in Memphis. I'm just going to go ahead and pop this on off camera and then be back to finish under my eye. So for under my eye, I'm going to make it very simple. I'm just going to take the color Emerald and put it on the outer corner. And then for the inner part, I'm going to put some of the color TF from the Makeup Shayla palette. Mascara, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Big Shot mascara with Makeup Shayla. So to finish my face, I'll be using the Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. And this is just like to set the rest of my face that I didn't set with my Laura Mercier for highlight. To give my face some definition and color, I'm going to take this NYX contour color in the color chocolate, or this might be bronze. I took them out the pan. Blush, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution blush in the color Fusion. And for highlight, I'm going to use the Makeup Shayla times ColourPop Booming Highlight. The NYX lip liner in the color Cappuccino. And then for gloss, I'm taking my favorite Beauty Supply lip gloss, which is the Ruby Kisses Hydrating Lip Oil. And it has like a minty feel to it, so I love this one. Before I set my whole face, I'm going to go ahead and set my brows with the NYX Brow Mascara in the color Brunette. And now to set my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. So this is the finished look, you guys. It's a green emerald Christmas holiday. I'm gonna call it G&G, Gucci and gold. No, gold and green. Boo. No, beat face for the holidays. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next.